Durable cookie sheet. This non-stick cookie pan is made from heavy-gauge steel for everyday use. Sturdy construction resists warping to keep you baking, oven roasting and toasting for years. Non-stick baking. Long-lasting non-stick found throughout baking pan promotes excellent food release when baking or roasting your favorite treats. Handle the heat. Grippy cookie pan handles offer a confident grasp and the cookie sheet is oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so break out those potholders and oven mitts. Support Yummo. A portion of proceeds goes to Yummo, Rachael's nonprofit organization that helps kids and their parents develop healthy relationships with food. As per industry standard with regard to item dimensions for bakeware is to list the baking surface as the primary dimension. From crisp oven fries to a batch of cookies, this Rachael Ray Yummo Non-stick bakeware 10-inch by 15-inch oven-loving crispy sheet cookie pan is perfect for both savory and sweet dishes. The non-stick bakeware is made from heavy-gauge steel that can bake over and over with the same great results. Offering sturdy construction and convenience, this Rachael Ray cookie sheet is warp-resistant, is oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and has grippy handles to provide a confident grasp when pulling items from the oven. For easy cleanup, it also has long-lasting non-stick for excellent food release. As an added bonus, a portion of the proceeds from this purchase goes to Yummo, Rachael's nonprofit organization that helps kids and their parents develop healthy relationships with food and cooking. This versatile cookie sheet is the perfect complement to the rest of Rachael's bakeware and cookware collections that always spell fun in the kitchen. Bake roasted vegetables and other savory and sweet treats, and have fun doing it with the Rachael Ray Yummo Non-stick bakeware 10-inch by 15-inch oven-loving crispy sheet cookie pan. Top reviews from the United States. I love these pans, not sure what's happening with the other reviewers. These pans are absolutely amazing and I love them. They're super high quality, durable, truly completely non-stick, and easy to clean. I bought them for 8-hour-long Christmas cookie palooza and have also used them in general for cooking. The handles are also really nice and are very well designed. It's easy to handle the trays whether it's for cookies or taking a rack of ribs out of the oven. They have not warped, I don't need to spray them, no food or odors stick to them and their no-stick texture works like a charm. I cannot recommend these enough and everyone should have one or two in their kitchen. I have not had any issues with the warping or chipping in the other reviews. I have a strong suspicion Tyrese a stock issue or Rachael Ray just has really bad quality control. Either way, I've used mine several times in several ways and I love them.